Pila tayo for...
Bigger hole. Ooh, sarap. Here you go.
There you go. I'm not.
This one. Sige na.
Don't eat it.
The same kind of pizza. SkyStar. There.
It's the same.
Yes, same. Get inside. Yay! Yay!
Oh,
There they are.
there's
There they
You
are.
ready?
Yes! I'm ready.
You ready?
Rosie.
Hello.
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 What?
Pagod na ni Wow.
No.
Oh no, wala.
Hello.
Why are we getting up? Why are we getting up?
What was
Is it
that?
was you?
No, that's long.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Wow.
Look na ako.
There, no? Uy. You're up and away.
Oh, yun na sa ano, sa Alcatraz.
Hoy, anak, dito ka lang.
Why we up?
Yeah, we're up. Walang takot to, ano?
Ano, foggy.
Pagi na. Ay, oo nga.
You see the Golden Gate Bridge there?
Oh, there. Yes na.
Hindi
Oo.
ko makita eh, oh. Yan ang signature ng Golden Gate eh.
Taas lang nakikita.
Oo.
Yan, we're up here. Parang nasa aeroplano lang. Like when we were in Boracay, yung parasailing.
Naglatot ba yun?
Hmm.
Nice also.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, ah.
Katabi ko. Pinihila ka naman.
Where we going up?
We're going up.
Up and away.
Oh no. We're getting up. Who's that?
You're up.
Sa ano, sa Vegas no, ang taas no.
Oo. Yung observatory.
Oo, yun yung mataas talaga.
Island. That's Alcatraz.
Ito yung masyadong magalaw.
Oo nga. Nagsiswing. Oh.
Steady lang.
Wow.
Kasi niya.
Oo.
Oh, yung
Mahangin kasi.
Kaya hangin.
Why are we hired?
You're suffering.
Kalahati pala to. Alas wala pa kalahati.
Okay. Yeah.
Why are we hired?
Yes. Kaya habang nagsasakay sila, o di ba, ganyan ka naman.
It's getting. Why are we doing?
It's getting higher.
Oh no! I see people.
Yeah. Right
Two.
there.
Why we have three?
Yes.
Then we have.
Kumakapit. Ba't kapit na kapit kami, Stevie?
Why are we top of them?
We're on top of them.
It's just higher.
Yeah.
It's getting higher.
See?
It's moving.
It's moving. Ito walang katakot-takot.
Bleh.
Bleh. Oo nga eh.
Oh. Why are we
wow.
getting down?
We're getting down. Oh, yan, relax ka na dyan pag ganyan.
Yes.
Okay, put it up, put it up. Now we're going up.
Wow. Galing ah. Want to do it again? There you
Going
go.
up again na ako.
Yes, yes.
Nice. Kasi your lolo, the kapit oh.
Why are we getting tired? I don't know we're getting tired.
Kung pupunta sa
Wave.
Golden Gate siguro.
Hello for me.
Say hi. I got it.
Why are we getting up?
Relax.
Don't stop us. Don't stop us.
There again?
Again.
Doing it again? Wow. Because you said so, huh?
Just a second.
Take off the what?
Let's take off his slippers.
What slippers?
I just
What slippers?
will take off
What's in
Yes.
Tagalog?
Chinelas?
will take off chinelas.
Chinelas.
Look,
Yeah.
what's
You
down
take off the
there?
chinelas?
Mm.
Sapatos? You're wearing your sapatos?
Yeah.
Botas yun eh.
Up.
That's botas eh.
I want to try again.
Again. Oh, we're going again.
Again? Okay.
Wow.
One more.
Oo, sige na.
Trying again.
Here sa kabila.
Wow, try again.
Why are we going up? Why up?
Yeah, you said one more time.
Oh, okay.
Babas.
Yes, huh?
K-pop, kalakalawang.
Dahil sa sea water eh.
I think ngayon lang to eh.
Yeah.
Wala naman to dati.
After this, after tong mga event na to, wala na to.
Ay, ganon? Hindi
Oo.
siya permanent.
Ano
No.
hindi naman
I
permanent
want
ito.
to turn on the lights.
Kasi lugat tower din nila nilakan doon from there.
Kaya nga.
Mhm.
Yun.
Yeah, nakakarga na.
Hangin.
And now nagkakarga na tumitigil.
Oo. Walang
Seagulls lang. Nasaan na kaya?
Nasaan
Nasaan na kaya sila?
There.
Nasa ilalim
Why are we
mainit
up there?
eh.
Why are we dark? Why is the lights is dark?
Here, 39.
There's this one.
Yun, favorite. Kung na-drive ka, dadaan ka doon.
Oh.
Oh? Pinabayaan.
I don't want ice cream.
Wala naman. Kahit na mayroong traffic enforcer, pinabayaan na lang. Yun lang.
No. No.
Sinarado, wala na.
Kinakamay niya ng pulis. Oh.
bebe? No more. Exit ka na. Oh, bebe. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Guys, have a good one. You too. Out na, baby. Did you like it?
Yes. I can't see the mayor.
So, dyan kami sumakay. So, yan.
Lovers sila o.
Dyan kami galing.
Papunta na rin.
Tayo ay mag-ice cream, Ben and Jerry's. Ayan. Go ahead.
Ito na sa likod.
What's yours? Oh, dirt cake. Ako, Kwan. Mango shake. Kaming mga sweet tooth. Ben and Jerry's. Yung dalawang maglolo doon. They don't like anything now. Magaling, magaling. Ay, sis. Where's your tatay there? He's in line for ice cream. Sila pa. Kita naman.
Ay, ko.
Yes,
Hindi naman ice cream ang ginawa mo.
Hindi, mango shake nga.
Oo, kala ko yung
Chocolate.
ice cream na mango ang flavor.
It's good, ano?
So, ganda yun.
Yeah.
At least gusto mo rin.
Yeah.
Oh, how was it?
Try. Uy.
No.
Simple.
Ayaw talaga yun. Nana! Ayang, hindi ko nakuha. Oh, super ganda daw, sabi ni Mr. B.
Yes, that's cool.
Yan. Nagpahinga ang mga naglalakad. Ayan na, fireworks na. Oh. Pero pauwi na rin, hindi na mahihintay ang fireworks. Napagod. Hey baby, you look for me?
Gasa mo ta diet na wit na.
At fourth.
Ako marami kami.
Tawag mo dyan, Mr. B?
Padyak.
Padyak. Ayan, kumikita yung mga yan, di ba?
Oo ah.
Pier 3 na pabalik. Sabi ko kanina, Mr. B, pagpa-uwi na tayo, magsasakay na tayo eh.
Padyak.
Oo, nilakad pa rin natin.
Oo ah. Exercise ka ron.
Exercise. Nung nakita tayo. So we heard him scream eh. So yan, nilakad namin papunta at pabalik ang Pier 39 from Pier 1. Kaya lang, ang next na ferry is
70 minutes.
70 minutes pa. Kamusta naman CJ? Pero thank you. Ay, oh?
Gising, alas 2.
May alas doon.
Napaaga na yung kwan nila, work nila.
Anong oras ka po?
Pero we had fun, no baby?
Look at
3:50 ng clock in mo?
Elsie. Oh yeah, birds. Go play with the birds. Go.
I'm going in the bar.
Yes, going in the birds. Yun ang Bay Bridge over there.
Pagkatindag ka dito, tanggal ah.
Kaya nga, yung malaki. So, tambay muna kami dito ng isang oras. Ayan, si baby. Patras ah. Yan, while waiting for the ferry, nakatapat ka dito. So, natitempt kami pumasok. Nakikipag-usap po, nakikipagkwento. Yung friends.
Up there. Up there. Up
Oh,
there.
it's up there.
Why is it up there?
It flew.
Oh.
Have that? Oh.
Ooh.
Eyeballs.
Eyeball.
Oh, your sweater. It's getting cold.
I'll call you.
Your friend's calling you, baby.
friend.
Your friend's calling you.
Oh, wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me, I saw Jack.
Yeah, play.
Okay, play. There.
Good.
Hug.
Wow.
Good.
Araw dumiretso sa atin, no? Tonong. You see the sun? Right there.
Yes.
Right there, right there.
Give me the picture that time.
I'm gonna picture tatay. Yes, there. Tagal pa ng ferry natin, baby.
Hindi nakalagay doon dito. 9 o'clock.
Where's your hat, baby? Where's it?
Oh no.
I think I lost it.
You lost it? Ay, so...
What happened?
Yung hat niya raw.
There.
You got my hat. You got my hat.
Didn't know, 9 o'clock pala. Eh, nandito tayo ng 6:30. OMG. Yung donut niya raw. Very good. Nabisinan.
Nabisinan ka na ko.
When? You say when,
Nabisinan
tata?
ka. Win.
Wait.
Nabisin
Walang
dyan.
tunaw-tunaw. Oh, you have photos. So, see photos.
Yeah.
Picture talaga kayo.
I got 2 photos. Got 2 photos.
Wow.
One each.
Go home. Yes, sir.
Need to go home na talaga? Sakto ah. Galing Jay ah. Hinog gabi na. It's already 9 o'clock. We thought merong 7
1 o'clock.
na trip. Pero 9 pala kasi holiday. OMG, yung may trabaho pa bukas ang alas 2. Sorry naman.
Dada.
Tatay.
Dada, what are you doing?
About to
Dada.
go to sleep.
You're about to go to sleep? No. 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 No.
A crew member if you'd like a demonstration. Life rings are located outside on each deck. On the first deck, there are marked exits leading to refuge areas in the front and rear of the vessel. On the second deck, there is a rear deck refuge area with stairs leading down to the main deck refuge
Whoa,
area.
is it moving?
Please
Yes.
familiarize yourself with the location of all
Why are we
exits and
getting
sitting equipment near
closer?
your seat.
Yeah, we have to leave.
In the unlikely event of an
Going
emergency,
home.
please remain
Going
calm
home.
and listen for specific instructions the captain and crew. Take caution if you move around the ferry. Use handrails. Be careful near stairwells. And stay seated while the vessel is docking. If you need help, have questions, or notice anything suspicious, reach out to a crew member. Children must be accompanied by an adult at all times. No running, smoking, or vaping anywhere on the vessel. Enjoy the ride, and thank you for riding San Francisco Bay Ferry, the best way to cross the bay.
Bienvenido a bordo del San Francisco Bay Ferry. Por favor, escuche estos anuncios de seguridad. Este barco circula bajo las regulaciones establecidas por la Guardia Costera de los Estados Unidos. Se encuentran chalecos salvavidas debajo de los asientos y en compartimentos designados. Las instrucciones para...
Sitting on the floor.
Yes, I like sitting on the floor.
Fireworks from the ferry.
Fireworks. 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 Ah! Fireworks. Fireworks. I like fireworks.
Fireworks na lang from here sa ferry.
Fireworks. I say fireworks. I say fireworks. I see fireworks. I see fireworks. I see fireworks. Fireworks.
Ensure you have all your belongings before leaving the vessel. Watch your step exiting the vessel and use the handrails on the stairs and gangways. Have your ticket or Clipper card ready. Thank you for riding San Francisco Bay Ferry. We'll see you on board again soon.
El barco está a punto de llegar a nuestro destino. Por su seguridad, no permanezca de pie ni forme una fila en las puertas durante el atraque del barco. Permanezca sentado hasta que el barco esté sujeto al muelle. Asegúrese de que tiene todas sus pertenencias antes de desembarcar del barco. Tenga cuidado al salir del barco y utilice los pasamanos de la
May friend ka naman siya dun.
Fireworks! I say fireworks! Yeah! I see fireworks!
May dinatnan rin tayo.
Pala sa Mera Island, may fireworks.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Of course! Kulit. Hey. Pati sina Jaymar nagpagaling sa likod nila. Ang Vallejo.
Well, no? San Francisco lang.
Kaya akala nyo, San Francisco lang ang may papuan ha? Fireworks ha? Diyos ko, dito lang sa Vallejo, meron oh. Meron pa nun. Ay, yung kotse.
Oh my God!